Hi, and welcome to the very first episode of our Accounting Basics series. Whether you're a student, small business owner, freelancer, or just curious about accounting, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll answer the most basic but important question. What is accounting? Accounting means keeping a record of your money, how much you earn, how much you spend, and where the money is going. It's just like maintaining a diary of your daily expenses and income, but in a structured, professional way so that businesses, shops, or even large companies can understand their financial position. So why is accounting important? Well, accounting helps in knowing how much profit you made, tracking how much others owe you, your receivables, knowing how much you owe to others, your payables, planning for future growth, and staying compliant with tax laws. In short, accounting helps you make better decisions. Let's introduce some words you'll hear often. Income, money you earn. Expense, money you spend. Asset, what you own like cash, stock, or machines. Liability, what you owe like payments due to vendors. Capital, your own money invested in the business. Don't worry. I'll explain each of these in upcoming videos with examples. You'll find accounting in small shops, big companies, NGOs, schools, hospitals, freelancers, and even households. Anyone who wants to manage money properly needs basic accounting. In the next videos, I'll show you how to record basic transactions, understand debit and credit, prepare simple ledgers, and build your first profit and loss and balance sheet. Step by step, everything will become clear. I've prepared simple practice questions for this video. You can download them for free using the link in the description. If you need professional help, I offer accounting and bookkeeping, tax registration services like GST and PAN, complete tally accounting setup, tally customization for any business, web development, and Excel automation for reports. Contact me at 9739117900 or visit onetallytaxaccounting.com. I serve across India and GCC countries. Thanks for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and begin your journey to mastering accounting in the simplest way possible. See you in the next class.